Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, couple big things yesterday. We saw the market continue to run up ahead of and into the Fed announcement. We did 1438.75. We did not punch the upper band here on the daily chart, as you can see. However, by the time we got around to the Bernanke press conference, it was time to sell. And that selling just kind of perpetuated itself. The number I gave my subscribers last night with respect to support was 1424. We've done, where do we end up? 23 half. So we overshot it a little bit, and we're currently trading 26. We've traded as high as 1430. Today begins really the heart of the roll from December into March. So I personally will not be doing a lot of trading the next 2 days. I don't like trading the roll. I'm not a spread trader. Those of you that have followed this webcast for a while, you get this speech every 3 months. I've had a very good week this week. I'm not going to mess around with the roll. I'll be trading December today, March tomorrow, and then March, on from tomorrow forward. So just be really cautious. If the bears can push through 24, it's very difficult at that point to say that we won't go back and see 14.15 again. And that's really not good news for the bulls. They had conquered 14.15. They had conquered it by 23 handles. And to be only, 8 handles from the current low is, they needed to do a little bit more with yesterday, and they couldn't do it. They exhausted themselves. So is this 94 handle run up, actually 98, almost 99 handle run up from 1340 quarter, is that the end of it? I don't know. Time will tell. We still have no deal on the fiscal cliff. I'm sure there'll be more news coming out there. We're still in the middle of this headline minefield market. I would expect that as we get closer to a deal, if there's going to be a deal, whether that's before Christmas, after Christmas, whenever, that the news will get more of a positive spin to it. Right now we're in rhetoric land where, the president says X, Boehner says Y, and there's, and Reed comes in and he says what he's going to say, and it all sounds like, it's over. The reality is you've got people in back rooms that are working on a deal. That's just the way it goes. And as those discussions are leaked, I would expect the news to be more positive. But for now, you've got a negative news cycle. You've got this switch from the Fed tracking monetary policy from a time frame standpoint to an unemployment rate standpoint, which I think the market really didn't receive that very well yesterday, did it? It did initially, and then I think it thought about it a little bit. But the first move after the Fed news always tends to be the wrong move. I've never back tested it, but that's just my anecdotal experience for what it's worth. So the bulls have got to hold up at 24, or we do 15. If we break 15, then there's no reason why we don't go test the middle band. And the middle band comes in today down at 1405. Whether that's, I doubt that's today, but over the course of the next few sessions, if the bulls can't find any traction, then we go to the middle band. You've got 3 moving averages scrambled up there. You've got the 50, which comes in at 1408 quarter. Then you've got the 20 and the 100 that are all within 5 or 6 handles of each other. And so that's a natural support area on a deeper pullback. Okay, so headline minefield, use stops, be hedged, be careful, we're in the roll. This isn't a day to be trading big, guys, okay? Just do what you need to do and move on to the next day. That's the best way to trade December, in my opinion. Okay, Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader from Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.